We can see further at night than day. The furthest away things you'll ever see are the stars.
Pockets were a revolutionary invention at one point in human history.
The odds of someone swimming in the ocean while wearing contacts, one falling out of their eye and it sinking down onto a fish's eye, are slim. But never zero.
Even if you're not offended, there's always someone out there perfectly happy to be offended on your behalf.
Swimming in the ocean becomes more terrifying as you get older and realize how many things can severely hurt you.
For a dog, each human has a stink ID.
You can most safely cross a street if there are absolutely no cars, or there are way too many cars.
Harry Potter is the Wizarding World example of peaking in high school.
Because uranium can only be produced in a supernova, nuclear power comes from a sun other than our own.
We've replaced memorizing phone numbers with memorizing passwords.
Planet Earth is one big aquarium where we just happen to be living on the few bits above the surface.
Since the brain uses electrical signals to get the body to do things, real life technically has a ping.
In the 20th century, we were told not to get into strangers' cars. In the 21st century, we have Uber.
You haven't seen your own face, you only saw a reflection or a photo.
You're probably in the background of someone's favorite photo.
A vacuum is the only thing that sucks when it doesn't suck.
A good liar can pretend to be a bad liar, but a bad liar can't be a good liar.
Nowadays, we do not pay for what is advertised. We pay to get rid of what gets advertised.
Snitches may get stitches, but the first to school gets the deal.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. The industry of things that help you avoid reality is the largest in the world.
Beating a dead horse is good compared to beating a living one.
The greatest thing about a new laptop or phone is the battery still being at 90% hours later. #blessed.
Hating France is the most French thing you can do.
Weeds are genetically superior plants.
For an animal that's notorious for mating, you sure don't see rabbits do much.
The invention of the wheel was revolutionary.
Pear-flavored Jelly Bellies are so good because they have the firmness of an actual pear.
Out of all the people in the room, you're the person to see your body the least and also the person tired of looking at the most.
Police be a lot scarier armed with knives rather guns. Getting stabbed repeatedly versus getting shot repeatedly seems terrifying.
Everything is disgusting after it leaves your body.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
If you like this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh. And groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.